Can you do what? Yes, you can. Come here, come here, come here. Come over here to the stairs. Absolutely, you can get a photo with us, and I hope that the rest of your Comic-Con goes better after this. Here, just put it into camera mode. Take a picture. All right, there we go.
NERDIST ASSEMBLE!
Man's drunk again. It rarely happens. It rarely happens.
We love you, Jess!
Oh, you're so welcome. Please. Say Travis.
I just wanted to know, how did you guys get your break and things? First big break.
Well, I went to a panel and told a story about how someone stole all my stuff. And they were like, here, host singled out. I was like, okay. You wouldn't get that reference because you're Australian, but I work for this channel called MTV, which at one time played short films set to popular music. How do we get a break? I don't know. It's just, you know, there's no story really. It's like, some people audition, some people just get discovered. I got lucky, I was a contestant on a game show in the States, and then they pulled me on MTV because they thought I was funny. I was on a show called Studs. And I won.
Were you one of the duds?
You're very welcome.
Come to Australia.
Come to Australia. All right, thank you so much. Be careful.